Joining me today is Manuel Roque from DW White Construction. Manuel, you're a long-time user of AGTEK, but firstly, tell me a bit about DW White Construction.
DW White Construction is a heavy civil contractor based in Massachusetts. We work from New Hampshire to Connecticut, and we have a pretty good mix of private and public work. We do airports, highways, bridges, seawalls, dredge projects, large infrastructure, and site jobs.
As I mentioned earlier, you are a power user of AGTEK. How long have you been working with AGTEK and what do you use it for?
I've been using AGTEK for about 25 years now, and we use it for all earthwork calculations. We use it for trench calculations, calculating how much rock is in a trench, trying to determine depth brackets, using the strata information to determine how much of a certain type of material we may encounter in an excavation. Basically, anything that we need to do in earthwork calc for a bid.
Manuel, you've recently started to work with the AGTEK Reveal solution, a solution that helps you clean up point clouds. But I'm interested to know, how are you using drones and reality capture solutions in the business?
Uh, well, right now we have approximately 10 drones in our fleet, and we use them for volumetric calculations, aerial photos, bridge inspections. Understanding the flow of earth on a project is key to achieving milestones and generating profit. So knowing where you're at a given point in a project is paramount. We started using Reveal because we were actually in the process of looking at a third party to edit it for us. And once we found Reveal, it cut down our work flow from 2 days to approximately 10 minutes.
What are some of the challenges that you face working with point clouds?
One of the biggest problems is the size of the files. It limits who we can have work on it and what hardware we're putting towards it. So the speed of Reveal allows us to just have whatever AGTEK user is about to do an earthwork calculation from a drone flight and be able to seamlessly use that with our other AGTEK programs.
Well, Manuel, we know that Reveal is AGTEK's latest solution to help clean up point clouds using AI, of course. How has Reveal changed your workflow with point clouds?
Well, it's actually done a great job of speeding up the editing of the point cloud. Previously, we would either work in Pix 4D or context capture, and we'd spend a lot of time, hours and hours, just cleaning up those point clouds. And now we're able to, in 10 minutes, cut that entire process out of it, and then be able to go right into AGTEK and do an earthwork takeoff.
AI is a buzzword at the moment, but the big question that I want to know is, how accurate is the AI technology in Reveal?
It was actually pretty surprising how accurate the software is. The program does allow you to reclassify something if it calls it out as a man-made structure when it's really a terrain, but the amount of reclassification that we have to do is absolutely minimal. What the program does is it separates all of the different components of the point cloud and classifies it and gives the user the ability to turn off what he doesn't want to use and turn on what he does. It's pretty remarkable.
I'm really interested to know, what kind of data does Reveal take out of the point clouds?
Well, the program will separate guardrail, utility poles, any man-made structures, vehicles, and that really helps the operator cut down the amount of time he spends separating that information.
Manuel, Reveal was designed to be an easy to use solution, but from your perspective, how difficult was it to get up and running with AGTEK Reveal?
Funny story, I actually didn't get the training for it because of the amount of workload that I had, and I was able to figure it out on my own. The program's quite intuitive and easy to use.
How is AGTEK helping you stay competitive and stay profitable?
In my opinion, AGTEK's the Cadillac of earthwork takeoff program. There's nothing as fast and easy to use as AGTEK, and the visuals it gives you really helps you show the owner what you guys are going to do in the different phases of construction.
There are some people out there that are a bit adverse to adopting new technology, but what would you say to people that are considering working with AGTEK Reveal?
I would say get it as soon as possible. The program really is a huge time saver, and the information that you get out of it is so accurate, and it will help you in every facet of your takeoff.